Can't enter my career, getting kicked back to the main menu again and again after the new update? Don't worry. A lot of NBA 2K26 players are facing this right now. But Reddit and YouTube users found some real fixes that are actually working. First, try the internet reconnect trick. Open NBA 2K26 and stay on the main menu. Now turn off your Wi-Fi or unplug your LAN cable for around 30 seconds. After that, reconnect your internet and quickly press connect again inside the game. A lot of players said this instantly fixes the online connection problem and let them enter My Career again. Now, if the game crashes only when entering the city, go to My Career, then tap Play Next Game. Instead of entering the city directly, this teleports you straight into the arena. After loading in, simply walk outside into the city. Sounds weird, but this bypasses a broken city loading screen that's crashing for many users right now. Another huge fix from Reddit. Go into your router settings and disable IPv6 or switch to IPv4 only. Many users said NBA 2K26 servers are struggling with IPv6 connection after the recent update. And yes, check your 2K account too. Make sure your email is verified and your PlayStation, Xbox or Steam account is properly linked on the 2K website. Some players were getting kicked every few minutes just because their account verification expired. Also, if you're on PC, verify your game file, go to Steam, tap Library, right-click NBA 2K26, go to Properties, Installed Files, then tap Verify Integrity of Game Files. Try these fixes one by one. Most players said the internet reconnect trick or arena bypass fixes it instantly. Comment below which fix worked for you. Bye-bye.